How to delete multiple messages in Messenger. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. Open up your Messenger application from your device and get logged into your Facebook Messenger account. Open the chat that you would like to delete the multiple messages with. Now, as you know that Facebook is constantly changing its privacy and policy. Before a couple months, we used to have the option where we can delete multiple messages at the same time. But today, if you just tap onto this message, then tap on More, then tap Remove, and then tap on Unsend for everyone. You can only do that for one message each time. So if you would like to delete all the messages at once, long tap onto the person, tap on Delete, then tap on Delete again. And this will delete the entire conversation. In case you would like to delete a specific messages with the person, then you have to do it one by one by long tapping onto the chat, then tapping on Remove and tapping on Unsend. If in the future Facebook updates us with that feature where we can delete multiple messages without having to delete the entire chats, we will surely make a video on that. Till then, please stay updated and thank you for watching.